am here today to do an unboxing and product review for you. I had this company called Tisscare want to send me this neck and shoulder massager for me to try out and do a review in case any of you, my viewers and subscribers, maybe with this being at home for a while, sitting more, who knows, just stress in general, maybe a shoulder and neck massager is something that would be beneficial to you. So if it is, and you give this video a thumbs up, also the description and where you can order this is in the description box below. So let's just open it up here. Okay. Very good. So obviously I have not opened this yet. I was waiting to do so on camera, so I'll do an unboxing and then I will also try it out for you on camera. So obviously this is the place where the massagers are. I can tell these are probably the parts that move, and then these come down your arms. I believe these are little loops where you can put your arms in to kind of pull it against your neck. So you get obviously the massager. Let's see what else you get in the box. The power supply. Just thanking you for the product and asking for product review. All right, and then you do get a little booklet. It also has heating and speed adjustment, which is cool. I did not know that it had a heating feature in it as well. So just the safety instructions, the warnings, okay, and it shows you the different ways you can use it here on your neck, your shoulders, your back. You can even put it around your waist if you're having like lower back pain. Abdomen, how you can use it on an arm or leg, calf, or foot. So it is not just for neck and shoulders, which is awesome. All right, just shows you the main parts. It is a leather cover, the head of the massager, the power switch, the handles. I think that's like where you put your arms, and then where it connects to the power source, the parts of the power adapter. Oh, did I get, oh, and it does come with one for the car too. That's really cool. So if you're on long road trips or something, obviously not while you're driving, but if you're a passenger, you could plug that in and use it while you're on a road trip. And just some easy function guides. So looks pretty easy to use. I'm going to give it a try and then share that with you as well. Okay, everybody, so this is the Shiatsu neck and shoulder massager from Tisscare, and let me just show you again. This is where the plastic pieces are that will knead out your muscle tightness, and you just wear it across the neck like this for the neck massage. Here are the loops, very soft leather, nice and comfortable for your hands or your arms, so that you can do this standing, you can do this sitting at your computer, and just it pulls it down against your neck. Here are your buttons for power, direction, whether the kneading is going down or up your neck, the speed, there are 3 speeds, and heat, whether you want heat on or off. So I'm going to just show you how to use this, but before I do, I will say that if you're one of those that likes just the vibration type of massage, this is not that, okay? It's just the Shiatsu where it's moving or kneading your muscles to relax the tight spots. So let me get situated in my chair and I will demonstrate it for you. Okay, so even just sitting up, not sitting back in a recliner or something, you can hit the power button. And I don't know if you can see it on camera that they're moving, but I love deep tissue massage and this feels so good to me. So this, let me see which speed this is. Okay, this is the fastest. I'm turning to see if maybe you can see on camera how fast it's moving. Medium and the slowest speed. Okay, so right now they're working down. So if I hit the direction button, then it works up. So then it just rotates the other way. Ooh, and hits muscles in different places. These are kind of more down on my shoulder neck muscles, where the neck muscles meets the shoulders. So if you are in the market for a deep massage that you can wear on you as you're sitting up, I'm sure this even works laying down, although I haven't tried it. Just putting it on your pillow. This is a good one. I am very pleased with this, and I'm very excited that Tisscare sent it to me to try out. If you are interested in checking out their link, it is in the description box below. Thanks so much for joining me for this product review, and I'll see you soon.